Hi guys, welcome to Dr. Ara's Kitchen, where I bring you amazing recipes from all over the world. If you're watching this or you're new to my channel, welcome and thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss my amazing recipes. Today guys, I will be making the tastiest samosas the Kenyan way. So if you want to learn how to make samosas the Kenyan way, keep watching. Guys, without further ado, let's move on to the ingredients. Here are the ingredients. I have 3 pounds of ground beef here, which is 85% lean and 15% fat. You can use turkey or whatever other meat of your choice. I won't use the entire thing because I'm only trying to make about 20 samosas. I have 1 large red onion over here, 6 cloves of minced garlic, 2 habanero peppers and 4 green chilies, also known as Thai chilies, 1 large capsicum, also known as bell pepper, a few sprigs of coriander, also known as cilantro. You can use more or less depending on how you like your samosas, 1 bunch of green onions. I also have olive oil over there to cook the ground beef, and I will be frying my samosas in avocado oil today. Here are the tortillas that I will be using to make the samosas. I have 20. I bought 10 whole tortillas and cut them in half, so 20 samosas for today. I also have some water and flour, and I will mix those two together to help form a paste to seal the samosa edges. All right, let's get to cooking the ground beef. Here we are. So our ground beef is cooking. I put the ground beef in a pot and added some water. So I'm going to cook that until it's nicely done and tender. And 2 more ingredients that I failed to mention, guys, salt, and I use chili cubes, beef chili cubes. So I will use this to season my ground beef. I also sometimes use black pepper, but today I don't have any black pepper, so this will do. So while that's going on, I will go ahead and show you guys how to mix the water and the flour to form the paste that will seal the samosa edges. So you want to add your water just really slowly and just stir just like that. Remember, you don't want it too thin, just thick enough to be able to seal your samosas well, so that when you start to deep fry them, your samosas will not open up in the oil. That will not be a good thing. You don't want that. Alright guys, this is done. This is how our paste looks, and remember, this is the paste we are going to be using to seal the samosa edges. Look at that. Alright, so this is the consistency you want, guys. So we're gonna wait for ground beef to finish cooking, and once that's done, we'll let it cool down and then get to stuffing and get to frying. All right guys, this is how our ground beef looks now. It's been cooking for about 25 to 30 minutes. So at this point, I'm gonna add some olive oil, and then I will add the red onions and then garlic and let it cook for a little bit. All right, guys, at this point, this is done. Look at how it looks, smells amazing. So the last three ingredients, cilantro, capsicum, and green onions, I will put that all in there and then turn the stove off and let this cool down before I start stuffing the samosas. All right, guys, here is the finished product. Tastes delicious, smells amazing. Oh my God. Uh-oh, someone's knocking. Anyway, guys, follow this recipe and let me know how it worked out for you. I know it's a lot of work. Remember, you can always freeze the ones that are not fried and just grab a few and deep fry them. Just keep that in mind. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Until next time, Dr. Arrow's Kitchen signing off.